Good morning students, hope you all are well. So today we are going to start the next chapter, that is pollination. Okay, so for pollination the most important part of the plant, that what we need, that is the flower. Okay, so flower has very important roles. First is to attract insects that help in pollination, and another is that to form seeds that will grow into new plants. Okay, so the seeds are present inside the fruits, and when the fruits burst, the seed will fall in the soil, and from that seed one new plant will grow. Okay, so now you can see the diagram, that is actually the dissection of a flower. So actually the flower has four whole. Okay, whole means the part of the flower. Okay, so a flower is made up of four parts arranged in holes. Okay, so what are these four parts? Sepal, petal, carpel and stamen. Okay, so sepal, that means it is the most outer part of the flower, which is green in color and which is almost leaf like part, which is attached at the base of the flower. Okay, so what is the function of sepal, or another name is sepal, that is calyx, to cover and protect the bud of the flower. Next is corolla or the petals, which is the most colorful and most attractive part of the flower, which attract insect, and these are generally colorful and sweet smelling. Okay, next is carpel and the stamen. So carpel, or sometimes is known as gynoecium. Okay, so it is the female part of the flower. So in the flower two parts are there, one is the female part and another is the male part. Okay, so the female part is carpel, that is gynoecium. So we can divide it into main three parts: stigma, style and ovary. Okay, so this green portion, that is actually the female part. So you can see the stigma, style and the ovary. So stigma, the sticky part on which the pollen grains fall, that is the upper part of the carpel. Next the style, that is the long tube that connects the stigma to the ovary, and the ovary, that remains, means that contains the ovule from which the seeds will develop, and also from the ovary it develops the fruit. Okay, so it is the female part, and the male part, that is known as the stamen. So in this left side you can see that is anther and filament, so together it form the stamen or the androecium. So we can divide it into two parts, one is filament and the anther. So the green part, that is the long stick like structure, that is a stamen, and the anther is the top of the stamen which contains the pollen grain. Okay.